bad. I'm sure he's got an ass too.
I'm sure everybody's got an ass. Except for those who got it blown off in the war.
They're gonna like see us when we drive by.
I'll die.
I can't because I'm holding the freaking camera phone thing.
I'm scared. Sadie,
Sadie, just yell.
What?
Oh my gosh, there's security cameras.
don't look at my face.
Yeah.
Just go. I'd like a piece of that ass.
Faster, faster, go. No, we're not. Go faster! Get out of here!
Go faster, damn it!
There's no